are confirmed tornadoes to deal with. As we take a look here, the tornadoes in a couple of different spots in Highland County, to the southwest and to the north. First, the one in the southwest, which touched down at about 12:53 very early on Saturday morning. That stayed on the ground for about 1.9 miles, maximum wind speed estimated at 80 miles an hour. So that's an EF0 as far as the rating. The rating is determined by the kind of damage that's evident once you've examined the area. The second tornado then was about 10 minutes later at 1:03 a.m. This was to the north and northeast of Hillsborough. That was an EF1 tornado. The maximum wind there looks like it was about 95 miles an hour. Now, through the morning today, we sent Christian Hauser of Local 12 out to take a look at the aftermath of those storms.
I've seen several homes with damage in the area and plenty of snapped trees, but behind me is probably the worst that I've seen. That was a barn before it was leveled. The Amish group that lives here says that everyone is okay, and it does seem that most of their equipment is still in good shape, but they do say that a couple of their buggies have sustained a little bit of damage.
Here's a closer look at what the storm did to the barn on Morrow Road. There were pieces of metal thrown hundreds of feet away. This was one of the hardest hit areas I found. Trees were down on several of the properties. Over on Kincaid Road, a little bit away, William Barnes must now replace his garage door and the wall inside his garage on top of a shed that used to be next to the house. It's now spread across his backyard.
I actually just went to bed not too long before it hit and was laying there. It sounded like the freight train, like everybody says, it's real loud. So we got up and my wife and the dog headed for the closet. I went to the back door to look out and it's heavy wind and rain blowing through.
Down the road from Barnes, Randy and Bobby Zimmerman were taking care of their granddaughter when they heard the weather alert for the storm.
It was just so loud. It was just, you could hear the wind and the limbs falling, and you knew we were getting something.
It may have been just a short burst, but it did a lot of damage.
Right after we got in the bathroom is when we heard this big limb hit the house. Right, that just got in there.
Yeah.
And then today, when you got out here this morning, there's a lot of damage out back.
Then all the
It
neighbors
calmed down.
came out and started checking on one another and making sure everybody was okay.
Safe.
And
Yeah.
and then they said, well, somebody said, well, it's coming. We're getting another blast. So they came back in. Everybody went back into their houses.
And again, right now, everyone is focusing on the fact that no one was hurt during the storm. People listened to those weather alert warnings and got to a safe space in their house. In Highland County, Christian Hauser, Local 12 News.